the prayers of your children. Grant them strength and peace in their time of need. The kingdom of heaven is near. Turn away from your old ways and believe this good news. The kingdom of heaven is near. If you have ears, let them hear what the Spirit says. Do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap, yet they are fed.
For the world to see that every other God is powerless compared to thee. Yes, the Lord